Local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona Water Association. Stop all water usage immediately. Stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and taking showers. Use water only for drinking. Discontinue all water uses immediately. There is radioactive materials in the water. If you have washed clothes in the last 10 minutes, discard them immediately. Discard any clothes that have been washed in the past hour. The Arizona Water Association is attempting to fix this situation. We will make an all-clear message once the situation is fixed. Repeating, there is radioactive materials in the water. Stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and taking showers.